Yeah. Hot dogs. What is up, my guys? Welcome to the vlog. Obsessed. Derek, paint me like one of your French girls.
I know. It's actually fun because I'm not totally exhausted from the beach.
Period. Do you have something funny to say to the vlog?
You may remember me last New Year's vlog. Back, better than ever.
Same outfit.
Same outfit. May
Best one he has.
best thing money can buy.
Stop.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Period.
Cheers, boys.
Surely he follows us.
I'm in hell.
Surely he'd follow us and then Damon
I'm in hell right now. Swag. It is? You tried it? This?
Manhandled that bro.
It's just wow, so yum.
Look at this.
It's actually really good.
It's like frozen. Fully just finished matcha, but then we went to Gloria Jeans and saw that they had like strawberry matcha chillers. So good.
I don't even know.
Like actually criminal how good that is.
Definitely better with the strawberry now.
Mm.
It's kind of overpowers the matcha, which is nice. I prefer it.
Hello, beautiful people. I haven't even spoken to the vlog much today, but it's currently 5:10 and I'm just going to start getting ready to go out for dinner. We're going to a Italian restaurant and it's like, ooh, it's easily our favorite Italian restaurant on the coast. We were at the beach for like only like 2 hours, but it felt like we were there for so long. It was honestly really nice. I got like a little bit burnt on my shoulders, but overall not too bad. And I'm starting to like get my tan back. I did use a little bit of a gradual tan lotion today just to add a little bit color because I have been pasty. I actually have an extra seat on our table because one of the boys didn't end up coming up to the Sunshine Coast, so we've got an extra seat. So Holly's gonna come to dinner as well, which is great because as much as I love all of Damon's friends, all of the boys, usually it's only me and Tori are the girls, and that's fine, but I just love having someone to talk to about things that I also like talking about. Oh yeah, I saw. Isn't that crazy?
That's so funny.
The boys are stuck in the motel elevator at the moment, which is crazy. Hopefully they'll get out soon. They literally just went to get like, what, energy drinks? And they went for a beer. They went for a beer at the pub downstairs. And then they were trying to go back upstairs and the elevator just kept stopping and then it just got stuck. So that's a bit rough. I mean, I put a bit of foundation on. I never wear actual foundation, but I love doing a little bit extra makeup when we go out. This is really full coverage though, so never really need too much. We also have Daisy. Where is she? Look at her. We're babysitting Daisy again, and I'm never mad to have her. Oh, hello.
Hey, girl.
How y'all doing?
Hey girl,
You going out?
You going out?
You going out?
Yeah.
Where you going?
We're going to, I think we're going to What Down later, but at
What's
the,
that?
in Malulabar, it's a little bar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's where Renee's friend Owen works.
Oh, so we're going to Boca for dinner.
Oh, yeah, smash.
Yeah, so just doing my makeup in preparation.
Which bar?
No
It's like on
idea.
the...
Esplanade?
That's on the Esplanade.
It's not, it is.
I don't know what it's called. It's just,
Is
it
it?
literally looks like just a little.
That's not it.
Hey Jesse,
Yeah.
look at Molly's flag. That's it.
Did you?
It's near like what Glory Jeans.
Oh, wow, baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
baby.
Yeah, on that corner.
There's an
Hello,
ice
baby.
cream shop.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
text
That
me if
is
you guys
not
go
how
to
she
What
did it.
Den. Yeah, we
She
did.
she saluted. Oh!
Oh my
damn.
god, Molly.
Patches.
Okay.
Guys, love you.
Might see you later. Love you. Drive safe.
Of course.
I love this foundation so much. Oh, I'm so tired though. The beach just like takes it out of me. I don't know. We did play volleyball for a while, so that's probably actually why I'm really
We
tired.
attempted to play volleyball.
Yeah, we did our best at playing volleyball. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have a little Moscato as well. They have Damon and I's like favorite Moscato there, so very excited for that. I am really tired though. I think I need some electrolytes. I'm gonna finish my face makeup and then I'll show you what I want to do for my eye makeup. We'll go from there. I just got changed. I'm wearing like this little, sorry, I'm talking to myself. I'm just wearing this little kind of like brownie charcoal color strapless dress from Charcoal Clothing. It's so cute, I'm obsessed. This is the base makeup, if you can see. I feel like this isn't very good lighting. I'm gonna do some eye makeup. This is so criminal. I still have my James Charles palette from when I was like 16. Okay, I'm gonna do this and come back because this is gonna take me a while. Okay, I'm done getting ready. Well, I need to take my roller down. Maybe I should do that now. Okay. Slay. This is the makeup. Bit of a smoky eye, and then I just put like a little bit of body shimmer oil on. Looks kind of good. And this is the dress. And I'm kind of thinking of doing a heel, but that might be a little bit much. So we'll see. I'm wearing heels. I rarely ever wear heels out, but I'm trying to be a mature adult and I'm trying to wear heels when I want to wear heels. So I'm wearing heels because I want to wear them. Whoa. Holly looks incredible. She doesn't smell incredible, but she looks incredible.
Oh God, I'm
Period.
shy.
We're at dinner now. So nice. And we're just going with the boys.
Good? They're just getting
I ran into Katie. Because Katie's like out the nose, so I ran into her because they just called me and said they were like around the corner to rip out me. So they would cut some casuals.
I wish we could share.
That's what I gave.
Oh, yeah.
Late checkout. I've just been slandered for my I'm trying to see you dressed up. I don't want to, I hate making a big deal. I know. So I could have worn my I don't want to be that cool. I want to be that good. Like, you really I'll save that for, yeah.
Say that for Friday.
I save that for going out, and not going to the What does secondy mean? Oh, large eyes. Oh, we got bread. That's pretty good. Okay. Yeah.
Is it good?
It's really good. Guess it's one lucky one.
Yeah, I am. We got entrees, but there was a bug on my back.
Good. How many pieces
And
of
I
garlic
grabbed
is there?
it to
Like
get it off,
6,
but I didn't know what it was. And it stung my foot.
And you're like, oh, about 6-7 seconds before you get it.
Now I've got a cup of ice.
6-7 seconds before.
And it hurt really bad. It's down here.
What is it ordered? Yeah, like, but like mostly. Stop talking to my dad.
Left me.
Shane, what happened?
He said, my favorite kind of cocktail.
I just want to try the No, because I had the hairdryer on because I was like last time I did it.
Is it good?
Not bad. Thinking about it. You know, really recently, I went somewhere and they had octopus
Oh my god.
with the dish, and like it was the most tender octopus. Like,
I'm scared. Look at that. Look at this shallot. That's a big shallot. Cut it open.
I don't like.
Onions have layers.
Oh, today would be nice.
Hello, beautiful people. It's like nearly 9 p.m. and we just got home from dinner and I'm so exhausted. It was so good. It was delicious like always. I did get stung by like some bug. I don't know if you can't really tell, but I got stung like right here, like bitten, and like my finger is like reddish, purplyish, and it hurts so bad. It was like on my shoulder, like on my back, and I thought it was like a loose hair or something, so I like went like this and it like bit me or stung me or something, and I freaked out. It hurt so bad. But anyway, the food was incredible, like always. I am really exhausted though. It's been such a big, exhausting day, but it is Wednesday today, so there's a new episode of The Summertime Pretty out. Holly and I bought a little bottle of Moscato and we're going to watch the new episode, which I'm so excited for, but the makeup has to go. But I essentially just wanted to close out this video and say a proper goodbye. I feel like I didn't really talk in my vlog today very much, which I'm not mad about. That's it for this episode. I'm gonna wash my face, sit on the couch and have a nice cold glass of Moscato. I'm gonna watch the newest episode of The Summertime Pretty and I can't wait.